always getting trusty of stuff.
You know what? I just got throw mine and I knew you'd be coming probably around this time. I don't know. We got back.
She's looking for the food ball. Eating pretty good too now.
Oh yeah, she's solid.
Yeah,
Yeah.
look, they're so muscly, eh?
Oh yeah. They're all just.
He's okay. That's why he's so strong.
Hey, you guys.
Okay.
Why is it got water?
Because they drink a little bit of water. I've been giving them a little bit of water too.
I think it's just bare street.
Sniffing.
Oh, the shape's gonna have to do that. How much does the drink?
Put her nose in it.
Put her nose in.
Oh, there she goes.
Girl.
Good girl.
Good girl.
She'll be easy to wean completely off.
Oh, I'd say they are
That's
weaning pretty good.
Oh my.
Good girl.
She's drinking a lot better now.
Oh yeah.